Good morning, guys! It's Monday. Katapos ko lang mag-coffee. No, actually, natapos ako uminom ng coffee mga 15 minutes ago. Inayos ko lang yung thumbnail ng aking video, which is uploading right now. Ito yung vlog na scheduled to be uploaded this afternoon at 4 p.m. Yan yung usually schedule ko. It's either 4 or 5. So, laging nasa hapon yung video ko kung hindi nyo pa napapansin. But it says here, 65 minutes more. So, sana hindi tumaas yung minutes na yun ng bonggang-bongga. I will go sa kabilang bahay and see kung merong gumagamit ng computer. Kung wala, I will edit. I-edit ko yung me reacting to my old private videos kasi someone requested for me to do that. And I was thinking, you know what, yeah. Kasi hindi ko na naman ipapublic ulit yung mga old videos ko. So I'm thinking, yeah, mag-react na lang ako para makita nyo naman ng konti kung ano ako dati. Which was weird and cray-cray Razel. Wait, before ako umalis, parang saan pupunta? Aayusin ko lang muna yung lista ng aking video schedule. Can you see it? Can you see it? I don't know. So, after nito, i-upload ko ang aking Essence Long Lasting Lipstick Review. I know. Another lipstick review. But that's okay, you guys. Tinry ko pala kanina yung cappuccino na Nescafe. Di ba may Copicino? That's from Copico. And yung tinry ko kanina, cappuccino from Nescafe, okay lang siya. Pero mas bet ko pa rin talaga, guys, yung brown and creamy. I don't know what's in it, but I like it. Yummers. Ang sarap-sarap nito, guys. Nagpunta kami sa mall kahapon na grocery shopping kami. And medyo puno na ulit yung tandahan. I have a lot of chips to eat. I actually got like potato chips. Like a lot of potato chips, different kinds. And naisip ko siguro I'm gonna do like taste test video. I'm running out of video ideas. So, and I've seen a lot of YouTubers like from overseas that is doing that kind of video. So I was like, you know what? Maybe like, you know, I'll try like tasting different kinds of potato chips. But hindi ko pa alam. But this is really good. I'm gonna keep it here in my room kasi, you know, may mga gabi na nag-crave ako ng food pero I'm too lazy to go downstairs and get some. So, you right there. You're good there. Kakain ako ng lunch. I have toge and then laman loob. Yung intestine ng baboy meron ako dyan. So, let's go eat, you guys. Mga pinamili namin kahapon, no? Oh yeah. All set ng aking snacks and breakfast for this week. Bumili din kami ng Pancake Plus kasi meron pa kaming syrup, hindi pa naubos. Tapos bumili ako nito, yung sweet style na from Clara Olay or whatever. Kasi nakita ko yun sa video ni Say. And marami kaming pasta, you guys, from Christmas pa. There. Tapos meron pang macaroni sa likod. So, I'm thinking of making those para maubos sila kasi sayang naman. Yeah, ito yung breakfast ko kanina. And then, meron din ako nito. Yummers. Siguro, uubusin ko to bukas. Tapos, ito. Tapos, you know. You guys, walang tubig. Gustong-gusto ko na maligo, kaya lang walang tubig. I mean, meron kaming tubig, pero nasa baba. Siguro pagkatapos kumain ni Mark, magpapahakot ako ng tubig papunta dito sa taas. Kasi dito sa banyo ko, hindi ako nakapag-stock ng tubig kahapon. Kasi umalis kami, nag-grocery shopping kami. That was the time na may tubig. And ngayon, wala ng tubig. Walang tubig yung aking mga balde. There. And kahapon, you guys, ginamit ko tong vanilla lace. Ito yung from Mizzy PH on Instagram. Meron din siyang Facebook. I will leave her links below. Ang bango nito, again, na-mention ko sa haul ko na hindi siya pareho ng amoy ng original na vanilla lace. Ayoko yung original eh. It's way too sweet for my liking. Pero I really like the replica version. Yung Love Spell at saka itong strawberry and champagne, hindi ko pa nagamit. But I posted a picture of the vanilla lace on Instagram. Super cute niya. Sana pumayag si Mark na mag-ano ng tubig para sa akin. Kasi walang laman yung mga balde ko. And sobrang lamig ng tubig, guys. Hindi ko alam kung malamig lang talaga. Well, kanina umaga, umulan ng konti. Hindi masyado. Hindi malamig. Which is good for me kapag gabi na. Maraming nagtatanong saan ko nakuha to. Na-feature ko na to sa haul ko, guys. This is for my sister. Bigay niya sa akin ng Christmas. So, yan sa. Happy birthday to you! Parang malabo. Wait. Malabo pa rin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Paulina. Dako daw. Birthday niya sa Wednesday. Actually, today. Kasi sa Wednesday ito upload. So, happy birthday. And meron pa akong i-greet ng mga birthday girls dito. Happy birthday kay Shella B. Birthday niya sa February 9. And then, happy birthday as well today, 1st of February. Birthday ni Mary Sofia Arenas. Happy birthday! Yay! Enjoy your day, girls! Mamaya na yung shoutout pagka-close ko na sa vlog ko kasi meron na akong lista dito eh. Baka kasi madagdagan pa later on. So, yes. Tingnan natin baka tapos na kumain si Mark. Magpakuha tayo ng tubig. Sige na. Bait-bait niya, ha? Thank you. Let's drink tea. Let's drink tea. Let's drink tea. Let's drink tea. Magti-tea ako, guys, kasi ang dami-dami kong hinain today. Mga junk food. Mas mabuti nang mailabas siya bukas ng umaga, diba? And BioFit tea is actually really effective. Ang saya ng probinsyano, nakakaloka si Paloma. Anyway, gagawin ko na yung shout out kasi later pangako sa'yo na ayoko madisturbo ng aking pangako sa'yo moment. Medyo marami-rami yung shout out, so why not start right now? I'm gonna start with Brian Blanco and to his cousins na sina Jade Vincent and Gabriel Mamugay. And then hi to Jelly Lynn Lopez. It's me, Karil. Meron siyang channel. I will leave her link below. Candice Beloved. Magpapa-shoutout siya kay Mark. Kaya lang si Mark naglalaro. So, try natin next time. Hi to Lala Recamara and to her sister na si Elaine. Hi! And then hi to Sheena Ipo, Monique Apuan, and to her boyfriend na si Neil John Paul. Hi sa inyo. And then hi to Janica, Gail Annie Mendoza, Tuesday Calderon, and then hi din kay It's Mariel17 on Instagram, Cherise Panungaling, and to her mom na si Josephine. Meron silang channel, I will leave the link below. Hi, thanks for watching. Hi to Nef Luna, Atasha Cabildo, Rain Ezekiel. I'm not sure if I pronounce your first name right. Is that Rain? Meron din siyang channel, I will leave the link below. Hi to Nicole Magsumbol. Hi to Rija and to her friends Zaira, Lyra, Loris, and Rowena. Hi! And then hi to Krisha May, Gabriel Dostos, Melot Panancilio, Michelle Lozenio, and to her babe na si Reden Solon, 20th month siri nila. And then hi to Cutie Pretty Beauty. Oh, bongga, ikaw na. And hi to Cecile Pia, birthday niya today. Happy birthday. And Rain Buhayan, Crisel Angeles, Jomilane Basadre, Ruby Ann Kahulis, Jomilane Basadre, yung kapitbahay namin. Yan yung apelido. Kaano-ano mo siya, bongga ka. Stesha Calambro, Azil, I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. And then lastly, hi to KCTV. Meron silang channel, I will leave the link below. And to her baby na si Harper Isla. Hi! Mag-good night na ako, guys. Kasi nga, diba, manonood pa ako ng pangako sa'yo. Wala nang masyadong ganap today. I'm again wearing long sleeve kasi, and ito, meron pang ganito, na bonggang-bongga. Kasi malamig na naman. And I like this weather actually, especially that I don't go out. So, sa loob lang talaga ako ng bahay. Alam niyo na yan, diba? And I'm wearing this ring, again, from Kim's Collections 2015. Ang ganda, diba? Parang ang social. O, diba, bongga. Hindi ako sanay sa silver on me. Parang kasi, diba, lagi kong suot yung mga gold ko. Mga gold, ang yaman-yaman. Yeah, ito bigay ni mama. Hindi to bigay ni mama. Ninakaw ko to kay mama. Kinuha ko, sabi ko, pasuot nga. Tapos hindi ko na binalik. Ilang years na sa akin to. And then ito is from Papa. Good night! I will see you tomorrow because I will have a video up tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget, be good. Bye!